In our DIY marketing segment, we're talking about how to sign up to an affiliate program, okay? Well, first you have to find out what you would like to sell or promote, okay? The number one industry right now is fashion. The next is sports and outdoors equipment. And the third is health, wellness, and beauty products, okay? And that's for the physical products. I like to sell digital products and platforms where I can show visitors what the product does, how it will save them time, effort, and headaches. Plus, many of those digital products and platforms have reoccurring monthly income as long as the person stays on the program. Check ClickFunnels, by the way. But it's really easy to sign up. Just go over to Google, type in the brand or industry that you're passionate about, and then type in affiliate program and see what shows up. Now remember that 80% of brands have affiliate programs, so it's going to make it really easy to sign up. But here's 5 things to look for when you're choosing a program to use. Okay, number 1, does it have reoccurring monthly income? Number 2, is it something that you use so that you can easily convince people that it works? Number 3, how long do you have to wait for the payment? Is it 30 days, 45 days out? Number 4, do they have any assets like banners, videos, images, discounts to make it easy for a visitor to buy from you? And also check their support. How quickly do they get back to you is a big factor. Number 5, what are the rules of the brand? Most brands will not allow you to use their logo, their trademark, or their name in any advertising. They're going to ask you, how are you getting your visitors to see if you're legit? And the last thing you want is the company to nullify all your sales because the company says that you did not abide by the rules. Therefore, you forfeit all your earnings for that month. And beware of the rules because choosing your affiliate marketing is your income.